You can find all of the scripts and assets in the description below for free so you can follow along. Let's get started. First of all, create a game object and call it level, and then add all of your layers to this game object as children in the order from like the farthest to the closest. In the end, it should look something like this, where you have all of the game objects. Then download all of the scripts from the description below, import them, select all your layers, add the parallax layer component to all of them. Then set the values for each layer so that the background elements are positive increasing values and the foreground elements are negative increasing values. Next, attach the parallax camera script to your main camera. Then select the level game object and attach the parallax background component to it and make sure the camera is attached. You should now have a working parallax system in your game. If you like this tutorial, please consider liking and subscribing. It motivates me to create more of these fast style tutorials that really value and respect your time.